Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see an interesting sweet potato recipe which will be healthy of course because of its numerous health benefits and delicious as well, and it's garlic dill sweet potatoes which you can enjoy as a side dish or as a healthy snack. So friends, let's get started with this amazing recipe. And here I have taken 3 to 4 medium sized sweet potatoes and I have partially boiled them so that they cook faster in pan. We'll peel off the skin. So peeling of the skin has been done and now I'm going to slice them into semicircle shape. As sweet potatoes are high in fiber and antioxidants, they protect our body from free radical damage and promote a healthy gut and brain. They are also rich in beta carotene, which is converted to vitamin A to support good vision and our immune system. So these were some of the health benefits of sweet potatoes. And here you can see I have sliced all these sweet potatoes. And here I have taken some fresh dill leaves, which I will finely chop them. This will impart a nice flavor to our sauteed sweet potatoes along with garlic. So this is also done and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we will heat around 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil in a white pan. And when the oil is hot enough, we'll add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And now on medium flame, we will stir fry the garlic until they turn golden brown and aromatic. So by now the minced garlics are well fried and I just love the aroma of fried garlic. And now we will add into the pan the partially boiled and sliced sweet potatoes. Now on medium flame we will saute the sweet potatoes until they turn golden brown from both the sides and are well coated with the garlic. For that we need to keep on stirring them in between. And friends, do let me know in the comment section how you love to enjoy sweet potatoes. After a minute we will again stir the sweet potatoes. I have kept the flame on medium. So by now you can see the sweet potatoes have become golden brown in color. And now we will quickly season them with some salt as per taste. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper as well as some chili flakes and some mixed herbs. Along with the seasonings, we'll also add the chopped dill leaves. We will now gently stir this for a minute or so until the dill leaves are well sauteed and the sweet potatoes in the process are infused with the flavor of dill leaves and garlic. And friends, by now our sauteed garlic dill sweet potatoes are ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy as well as delicious recipe. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting recipes. You can also follow my Instagram and Facebook page. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.